If you're into outdoor exploration and car camping, you've got to see the Dometic TRT 140 inflatable rooftop tent. You heard that right, inflatable. Picture this, you're surrounded by breathtaking nature. The sun is setting and you're ready to unwind. The Dometic TRT 140 Air is your home away from home, perched on your vehicle's rooftop, providing you with the best seat in the house. One of the standout features of the TRT 140 Air is its ultra simple setup. Thanks to its inflatable technology, you can have your tent ready within minutes. No more struggling with poles or complicated instructions. Just inflate and you're good to go. And once you've got your tent set up, you can sit back and relax with all of your Dometic camping needs. With enough room to comfortably sleep 2 people, it's perfect for couples and friends, or even a small family. Plus, the panoramic windows provide stunning views while maintaining privacy. And the sleeping area is comfortable, guaranteeing a good night's sleep after a day filled with adventure. It's crafted from premium materials that can withstand rain, wind, and harsh sunlight. You won't have to worry about your comfort being compromised. You can camp with confidence, knowing you're protected. And with its excellent ventilation, you won't wake up feeling stuffy. Comfort is key, right? Well, this tent features a high-density foam mattress that guarantees a good night's sleep. One of the things we love about the Dometic TRT 140 Air is its versatility. Whether you're camping in a remote forest or parked by the beach, the tent adapts to your location. And when you're ready to hit the road again, packing it up is just as easy as the setup. And what sets this tent apart, it's the smallest option on the market in the closed position, making it perfect for smaller cars and trucks. The Dometic TRT 140 Air rooftop tent is your gateway to a better camping experience. Whether you're embarking on a solo journey, a romantic getaway, or a fun trip with friends, this tent ensures you're always camping in style. If you want to know more about the Dometic TRT 140 inflatable rooftop tent, or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.